Ever wondered what it takes to create that perfect shade of lipstick you love? From its vibrant color to its smooth application, every tube of lipstick is the result of a fascinating process. From concept to creation, discover the secrets and craftsmanship that transform basic ingredients into the beauty essential you use every day. This factory operates around the clock, churning out approximately 30,000 lipstick bars daily. Interestingly, the average woman will spend around $2,000 on lipsticks over her lifetime. Crafting that perfect bright red lipstick involves a blend of science and artistry, requiring over 30 ingredients, months of rigorous testing, and nearly a decade of research. But have you ever wondered how this iconic beauty product is made? From ancient recipes to cutting-edge technology, we took a behind-the-scenes tour of the L'Oreal factory to uncover the intriguing process behind lipstick production. Watch as we delve into the world of pigments, waxes, and high-tech machinery that transforms simple ingredients into the lip colors that light up millions of smiles every day. Lipstick has long been a symbol of beauty and sophistication, with a history that stretches back centuries. From ancient times to now, the quest for the perfect lip color has seen some truly unusual ingredients, like beeswax, fish oil, whale fat, and even ant venom. Over 2,000 years ago, Cleopatra set the trend by using crushed ants and beetles to achieve her signature red lips. Fortunately, today's formulas are much simpler, providing stunning results without the need for such exotic components. While lipstick has been around for centuries, its widespread popularity took off thanks to the French brand Guerlain, which launched the first commercial lipstick in a tube in 1884. This innovation made applying lipstick much easier and brought it within reach of a broader audience. Today, lipstick is housed in a convenient tube that doubles as an applicator. Simply twist the tube and swipe on the color to transform dull lips into a vibrant, eye-catching feature. In the 20th and early 21st centuries, the cosmetic industry has continuously evolved, enhancing lipstick formulas for greater durability, comfort, and skin benefits. The journey begins in the laboratory, where extensive research and prototype development take place at the L'Oreal factory. Thousands of unique lipstick shades are created using cutting-edge technology, as a dedicated team of over 20 chemists carefully blends powdered pigments with other ingredients to perfect each formula. Lipstick formulations consist of waxes, pigments, and moisturizers. For creating a vibrant red lipstick, the production specialist combines 3 pigments, 2 red shades, and 1 yellow. Applying these pigments directly would result in them flaking off as soon as the lips are pressed together. To prevent this, the pigments are dispersed in oils. The formula for the pure red lipstick includes sesame oil, rose hip oil, and 2 synthetic oils to ensure a smooth, lasting application. The mixture is then processed through metal rollers to evenly distribute the pigments and achieve a true red color. It's thoroughly stirred to ensure that all ingredients are evenly combined and the pigments are perfectly blended. Since the mixture is liquid, it cannot be directly applied to the lips. To solve this, the liquid solution is solidified with wax, which locks in the color until the lipstick is used. However, there's one crucial step left: adding a touch of shine to enhance the lipstick's finish. To add shine and achieve a radiant finish, the lipstick formula includes pearl particles. These particles consist of reflective layers of mica, titanium dioxide, and iron oxide, which catch and reflect light differently depending on the viewing angle. The lab offers a wide selection of these pearl particles, allowing specialists to choose the perfect ones to create a distinctive and captivating shine for the lips. The final step is critical: applying precise heat to melt the lipstick mixture and achieve the correct consistency. Once heated, the solution is carefully poured into molds. Expert handling is required to ensure the liquid fills each mold evenly, as uneven filling could result in layer-based crystallization that affects the lipstick structure. These molds are designed to shape multiple lipsticks at once, with each mold holding 24 lipstick bars. After filling, the molds are placed in a cooling chamber to allow the mixture to solidify and take on the final lipstick shape. Once the mixture has cooled and solidified, the lipsticks are carefully removed from the molds and inspected for shape and consistency. Any lipsticks with defects are discarded. After a few hours, the products undergo a rigorous quality check. A lab scientist tests the lipsticks on a model by applying them for a photo shoot under various lighting conditions. Bright lighting tests the lipstick's shine, while a controlled setup with uniform light examines its color. Specialized software analyzes the photos to assess both color accuracy and the feathering effect, where fine lines appear around the lips. A product that shows no feathering is deemed of high quality and is ready to advance to full-scale production. In this production facility, 30 different lipstick varieties are manufactured, each with its own unique blend of ingredients. In the factory, the same formula is used, but the process is adapted to meet the demands of mass production instead of small batches. The ingredients are now measured in much larger quantities. A worker weighs everything according to a formula. The exact mixtures are often a company secret. The ingredients are measured and poured into a pot. The pigments, which come in large bags, are mixed in a large container along with sesame oil, rose hip oil, and the 2 synthetic oils. This mixture is then cooked before adding the pearl particles, perfume, and wax. These ingredients act as skin softeners and also allow the lipstick to be applied smoothly. The waxes also give the lipstick a certain shine when applied. Pigment is poured in until the mixture thickens and becomes creamy. It now has the right consistency to be molded into lipstick. The lipstick mixture then moves to the next stage, where it is poured into a filling machine by another worker. After approximately 2 hours, the liquid is ready to be transferred into plastic containers. This filling system includes a built-in mixer to maintain the creamy consistency of the mixture. As the solution cools and solidifies within these containers, it forms solid blocks that are later transported to the production line for cutting. The solidified blocks are fed into molding machines again to achieve the right consistency, overseen by skilled operators. The next step involves placing a mold under the filling machine and using a lift to position the mold beneath the nozzles. These nozzles then pump the hot lipstick mixture into the mold cavities. Once filled, the molds are covered and allowed to cool. After cooling, the lipsticks are carefully removed from the molds and inspected for any defects. This operation runs around the clock, with 3 production teams working continuously to produce approximately 30,000 lipstick bars daily. Once the lipstick bars have cooled, they are placed into a rotating tube, allowing easy application. This classic design, invented in 1923, has remained a reliable method for over a century, helping people worldwide achieve vibrant, smooth lips daily. Before packaging, a tester takes samples from each batch to check the melting point, ensuring the lipstick remains stable even in warm conditions and won't melt in a purse. After passing these quality checks, the lipsticks are carefully packaged to prevent any damage during transport or storage. Labels are applied, and the lipsticks are prepared for shipment to retailers, where they will be purchased and used to create beautiful, radiant smiles. If you want to know how condensed milk is made, watch the video on your screen. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.